Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, it's a Louis Vuitton day and I will be sharing to you their up and coming and latest Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so of course, you know our practice here. I would be sharing everything you need to know from prices, product codes, SKU, product features, and launch dates would be noted here. So you know our drill here. Kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, please check the website and your CAs. I'm inviting you all to please join me until the end of this episode, and happy shopping, guys! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please do help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Also, kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share the latest runway collection of Louis Vuitton Voyager Pre-Fall 2024 collection. Prices, SKUs, features, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Happy shopping! Alright, so to start the collection, let us start with side trunk size MM. Price is €3,700. The collection, Louis Vuitton X Tunisian ANIMOGRAM collection, would be launching May 17, 2024. So you could pre-order these now with your CAs. So the main material of this one, I am loving that it comes with reverse monogram with black leather trims. Next, we have Nano Sppedy. Price is €2,100, still part of the ANIMOGRAM collection. So the size is Nano Sppedy with the reverse monogram main material, and it comes with black leather trims with adjustable leather strap as well. And as we could see here, it comes with a bag charm. So at this point, I'm not really sure if the bag charm comes with. Alright, next we have the card holder. Price is €505. By the way, guys, this mini collection is named Chien. I think that's the name of this sad little dog. So launching May 17, 2024. The main material of the card holder is the reverse monogram. So here is the close-up look of the Chien dog. Then we have the Boat Chapeau size petite. Price is €2,350. So here it is what it looks like on the runway that just showed recently at the pre-fall collection. So made of reverse monogram canvas with black leather trims. It has gold hardware with detachable straps as well. Then we have the square trunk size mini. Price is €8,000. We have SKU here. Still, it has the Chien design. It comes in the reverse monogram canvas with black leather trims, gold hardware with detachable leather straps. So here is what it looks like on the receipt after the runway collection. And then we have the Neverfull collection. So the second mini collection would be the rabbit design. So here is a classic monogram canvas, and we're going to see the close-up of the rabbit design over here. And the eyes of the rabbit, as you can see, is the Louis Vuitton flower. So this is the classic combination of classic monogram canvas with untreated vachetta leather trims. And then we have the rabbit wallet on chain. Price of this one is €2,200. So here is what it looks like when you're going to open it. So it is the actual head of the rabbit. So as you can see, this is the receipt of the collection. So I think the material of the rabbit head is made of patent leather, but the base is monogram canvas. Then we have the No Way BB. Price at €3,200. So the main material of this one is leather. And as you're going to see, so this is the close-up. I love that the Louis Vuitton monogram is white on white, so it's not really shouty at all, and it comes with the rabbit bag charm as well. Then we have the zippy wallet. For the price of this one, please do stand by, but we do have the SKU here. So here is the close-up of the rabbit. This one, I'm not really liking how they're doing the patch of the rabbit on the SLG. What do you think, guys, for this one? Please let us know and comment below. So it comes with gold hardware as well. Then, the next design, we have the tiger design, still launching. Same date, May 17, 2024. First, we have the Lexington pouch. Price is 1,900 euro. We have SKU here. So the Lexington pouch, this is like another re-edition of the pochette accessoire. So it comes with detachable vachetta strap. Then we have the classic pochette métis. For the price of this one, please do stand by, but please take note of the SKU. So still part of the ANIMOGRAM collection. It comes with the tiger design. So classic monogram with untreated vachetta leather trims with canvas strap as well. So here it is what it looks like on the Reese. Then also your kid purchase the tiger wallet on chain, price at 2,200 euro. We have SKU here. So as we could see, the base of this one is made of monogram canvas, but the outer part, so this, I'm guessing that it is made of leather. It comes with the design of the tiger, and it comes with the very beautiful gold chain strap. And then we have the on-the-go East-West, price at 3,900 euro. The main material is leather. So this one, I am loving that the design, the tiger design, is a bag coin pouch, which you can design and attach to your other Louis Vuitton bags. Here is a close-up version of the bag on the Reese, as you can see here. Then we have the square trunk size mini, price is 8,000 euro. We have SKU here. So this one, still it has the tiger design on the edge here. Material is the classic monogram canvas with leather trims and untreated leather straps as well. It comes with gold hardware, as you can see. Then we have my very favorite Alma BB. So this is the new design, the zebra design. So it's the same design as Alma BB. It just comes with the zebra design on the side of the bag, as you can see here. How cute. And there is an epi leather. Oh, I'm just noticing that one here. So this one comes with the untreated vachetta leather trims. Then also it would come in card holder in the zebra design over here. The price of this one is 505 euro. Next, we have the on-the-go size PM. Price is 3,050 euro. We have SKU here. So design of this one is the, I'm not sure if it is pronounced as Puzan, but it is the duck design. Material is the reverse monogram canvas. It would come with black leather trims, and it would come with canvas strap. Still launching same date of May 17th, 2024. We have coffret accessories. For the price of this one, please do stand by. Material is the same as the reverse monogram canvas with black leather trims, gold hardware, and it comes with the duck design on the side. And the interior, it comes like in Tiffany blue interior. And then we have the Zippy coin wallet. For the price of this one, I will just be posting it on our community wall once it is available. So we have the duck design over here. The main material is the reverse monogram. It would come with gold hardware as well. Then we have the Marellini. Price is 2,600 euros. So this is another animogram design named Bingo. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So the main material of this bag is epi leather. I love that actually it comes with two charms. So Bingo bag charm, and it comes with the monogram coin pouch as well. Then we have the Louis Vuitton perfumes here. So all of the prices is 450 euro. I'm putting here all the SKU. It would come with the bag charm and special packaging, as we could see here. I'm just wishing that the bag charm you could fully detach on the bottle and you could use it on your bags as well. Then going back to the duck design, we have the Atlantis PM. For the price of this bag, I would be posting once available on our community wall. So it comes with the duck bag pouch charm, as you can see here. So this one, I'm loving this Atlantis. The color is light blue. It comes with bag tag and it comes with gold hardware as well. Then for this one, we have the Sppedy. I'm not really sure if this is a nano or size 20. And for the price and SKU, once available, I will be posting on our community wall. So I'm guessing this is part of the Pouzon or the duck design because of the colorway. As you can see here, it is made of leather, and I love the Louis Vuitton monogram is in color yellow, which is very contrasting with the blue. Then we have the mini Bumbag. Same, once price and SKU is available, please stand by on our community wall. So this one, still guessing that part of the duck collection. Material is leather with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram and gold hardware. So here is what we could also expect from the pre-fall Animogram collection. All would still be launching May 17th. So first we have Vivian. I love the Vivian because she's carrying tiny, teeny bag charms. And this one is a micro Sppedy, price at 1,300 euros. So here, this one could be hot like the Nano. Mio, no way. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!